Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Burp Suite Community Edition 2025.3 on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. First go to Burp Suite official website, that is portsfigure.com. Then download. Click on products, then select the Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on it. Then provide your email to download, or just click on go straight to downloads. Then select the version. See here we have the Burp Suite Professional and Burp Suite Community Edition, and its version is 2025.3. Okay. In this video I am going to show you how to download this Burp Suite Community Edition. So select the OS version. See here we have the Windows 64-bit. Select it and click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. See here its size is 312 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now click on this Burp Suite Community exe file. Click on next. See, this is a destination directory. If you want to change, click on browse. I'm okay this one, so click on next. And this is the start menu folder name. If you want some other name, you can provide the name. Then click on next. See, installation has been started. See, installation is completed. Click on finish. Now go to start, all applications. Then scroll down. See, here we have the Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on it. See, it is loading. Click on next. See here, use Burp Suite defaults, or if you have any configuration file, you have to select load from configuration file. I want to go with defaults, so then click on start Burp. See, we got the Burp Suite application. If you want, see here we have the different tabs. If you want to learn, click on here. See here we have the different options. You can like Web Security Academy, get started with Burp Suite. Okay, so if you want to set the project settings, click on here. Okay, if you want to rename the project, click on here. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Burp Suite Community Edition 2025.3 on Windows 11 operating system, but the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel.